Yeah, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, depending on the time zone. On this scenario, it's not everything you does people will like. Ọ bụghị ife niile ime ka ndị mmadụ ji anabata. But before we go further, my name is Maazi-UC. Follow me on my Facebook page and my YouTube page at Maazi-UC. Welcome. It's not everything you does people will like. Let me tell you the fact. As far as you are stronger in this life to make it, know very well that you must have enemy or enmity. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-agba mbọ na-agbasi mbọ ike ka ọ ga-esi wee dịrị gị na mma n'ụzọ siri ezi, nwanne m ji aka họrọ ọkụ mgbọ. The world we live is a world of battle, either spiritual or physical. As far as ị na-agba mbọ, you are a young man, you are doing well, either in the business or in the field, any field you find yourself. My brother, not everything you do people will like. If you like, do wetin that will please the whole nation. Everybody dey hear you, but they cannot. All those people we dey call ndị iwe dị n'obi, osh bụrụ n'eze. So that's why don't lose hope. Whatever you are doing, always be focused. Try your best for whatever you are doing. But if you are waiting that everybody will like what you are doing, foul. The journey of life is everybody's head. Also, a na-agba bụ n'isi ka a na-agba ya. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-agba mbọ gbasie mbọ ike. But if you hope that whatever you do, that people must appreciate it, you are wasting of your time. Always work hard. Especially ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye na-agba mbọ, if you are doing well, no matter there be an enemy. Ka o wee bụ na onyenwa. Ka o wee bụ na onyenwa ka a na-aya. Ka e wee sị na o metachara ọfụma. Ka e wee na-eprizi ya. Nwa bụ onye dị ka ọ bụ. Your father, Shebi, I know your father. That your father is a carpenter. Your mother is a wheelbarrow pusher. Now you want to show yourself that you want to be a great man. They will stay after you. One name is so okay, Rigi. Hey, Ijowa. Ijowa Sidike. The journey of life is not easy. That's why many great men, they face a lot of battle challenges. It's not everything they does people always admire. That's why if you see a great man like this, anything he does, if you like, accept it. If you didn't like, go and hang yourself on transformer. They don't care. As far as they will do something that be good in the society, you that is talking against him, you always like to promote him. Let me tell you one thing you don't know in this life. If you see here they are gathering, they always talk against somebody. Hear it from me. They always talk against somebody. My brother, they always like to promote that person. Once they talk against you, you hear it. I beg, don't react. They always like to promote you. As far as what you are doing is good, they always like to promote. The same people that will always talk against you, time shall come. The nation can tell. Time shall come where they will talk good of you. Just that's why they say, leave the good and leave the bad. At the end, they will calculate. ọ bụ na ha kwuchaa maka gị nwa kwuchaa ife ọjọọ maka gị nwa jos gbasiwe mbọ ike oge na-abịa oge fa ga-eji mee gịnị ha ga-ekwukwa maka gị nwa si ha na onye bụ ọka o buru ụzọ na ife onye mere na onwe onye nwere ike ime ya nụ. The same people will come and eat from your pot and drink from your wine. Is what I have to say. Not everything people will say good about you. Please share this my video. Follow me on my YouTube and my page. Don't forget to like or tell me what you feel on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.